I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach, and today I'm here to provide some fantastic news. If you saw our videos or read our blog article titled Real Estate Agent Marketing Mistakes Top 10 Countdown to Fix Now, then you're already aware of the common agent marketing pitfalls. But, and here's where it gets interesting, it turns out there's one overriding principle that can transform all of your real estate agent marketing efforts into pure magic. Yay! So let's get to it. The golden principle. Let's uncover this magic principle in real estate agent marketing. Ready? It's super simple. It's all about providing value to prospects and clients. Not just any value, it's about offering free value with no strings attached. Make sure there's not even a hint of expecting payment in return. You'll provide just pure, helpful information. Give away what you've got for free and watch prospects turn into paying clients. How does this work? Because people don't like real estate agent marketing sales tactics, pushy or not, and they don't care about your latest closing, how much GCI you racked up, or how much you protest that you're an excellent, experienced agent. What prospects and clients do care about is real estate agent marketing, which brings value to the table. So give them value up front, and you'll have prospects knocking at your door, eager to become clients. Shift your mindset to giving. Switch your mindset from real estate agent marketing, which is all about sales, to giving away value instead. This is a total game changer. It's about genuinely helping your clients or prospects rather than just looking to close a deal. By offering insider tips, market insights, and valuable resources freely, you position yourself as a giver, not as a salesperson. This approach enhances your credibility, and it also makes your interactions more satisfying and fulfilling for you. Prospects and clients appreciate agents who genuinely care and aren't just after a quick buck. Embracing this value-driven mindset can turn one-time clients into lifelong fans who are eager to refer you to others, boosting your career sustainability. So forget about selling. Adopt a mindset of giving real value and watch your professional relationships, personal satisfaction, and deals grow. When and where to provide value? When? All the time. Where? Everywhere you can. Offer free value on your Google business profile, social media posts, during networking meetings, and even at social gatherings. Hand out free value at open houses and while door knocking. Shout free value on your website, through email, and on community boards. Never miss an opportunity to give away value in your real estate marketing. Oh, by the way, I'm with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack sponsor team. When you partner with us, you'll get more value, free value, than anyone else in the real estate business is offering. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. What value to provide? Okay, let's get to the heart of your new real estate agent marketing. Exactly what value can you provide to prospects and clients? Value primarily for home buyers. Are you primarily working with home buyers? Well, here's some real estate agent marketing value ideas listed alphabetically for easy reference. Also, don't miss the list of real estate agent marketing ideas that work for both home buyers and sellers, which will be presented by Doug Smart in part 2 of this video. Subscribe and hit the bell notifications so that you won't miss that video. Credit score improvement tips. This is the first value thing you can do. Provide resources and tips for improving the credit score of potential home buyers way before they need it. This helps them know what they should and should not be doing right now. It can help them secure better mortgage rates when the time comes. What it is. Advice on actions clients can take to boost their credit scores, like paying bills on time, reducing debt, and not buying a new car or opening another credit card. Where to find it? Find it with website searches of credit counseling agents, financial advisory websites, and consumer finance blogs. How to provide it? Develop a guide or checklist with actionable tips. Offer this during mortgage consultations and via your website, social media, and email newsletters. Exclusive off-market insights. Offering exclusive insights in your real estate agent marketing regarding upcoming listings and off-market properties gives clients a competitive edge in a tight market. What it is: information about homes that are not yet listed publicly but are available for sale, providing clients with early access to potential properties. Where to find it? Your MLS may have a coming soon list. If so, that is a super convenient source. Outside of that, try networking with other real estate agents, joining local real estate groups, and building relationships with homeowners. How to provide it? Share these insights through personalized emails, your social media, exclusive newsletters, or private client portals. Check your MLS rules to verify that it's okay to tell others about the listings. In your marketing efforts, emphasize the exclusivity and competitive advantage of having access to these listings. Financing Options Guide. Help clients navigate the complex world of real estate financing to find their best options for their needs. What it is. A financing options guide gives people a comprehensive overview of various financing options available to them, including mortgages, refinancing opportunities, and first-time homebuyer programs. Borrowers, particularly first-time homebuyers, often don't understand the ins and outs of financing. Providing this information is super valuable. Where to find it? Get this information from your favorite lender. Just ask them to provide the necessary details, then gussy it up with Canva. How to provide it? Share this guide during in-person meetings, offer it as a download on your website, and include it in email consultations. Mention it as a call to action in all your social media channels to attract more potential clients. First-time buyer program information. Provide comprehensive details about special programs and grants available for first-time homebuyers, including eligibility criteria and application processes. What it is. Information on government and private programs offering financial assistance, lower interest rates, or down payment aid to first-time homebuyers. Where to find it? Check out HUD's official website, local housing authorities, and financial institutions offering first-time buyer programs. How to provide it? Create a user-friendly guide or flyer summarizing the program's eligibility requirements and application steps. Share this during initial consultations, at open houses, and via your website and social media channels. Home warranty information. Give your clients peace of mind with solid information on home warranty options. What is it? Information on home warranty plans that cover the repair or replacement of major home systems and appliances. Where to find it? Reach out to any home warrant specialist you work with. Also, look at your home warranty company's websites, consumer protection sites like Consumer Reports, and industry publications. How to provide it? Compile a list of reputable home warranty providers and their offerings in a branded document. Share this information during consultations and via email. Explain the benefits and the coverage details in simple terms to help clients make informed decisions. Investment analysis. So here's a cool thing to add to your real estate agent marketing. If clients are eyeing a property as an investment, provide a thorough analysis of potential rental income return on investment, ROI, and local rental market trends. What it is. an assessment that forecasts the financial performance of a property as a rental income, covering aspects like expected rental income expenses, ROI, and market demand. Where to find it? Use resources like RPR, Bigger Pockets, and local market reports from real estate boards. How to provide it? Create a detailed report using spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. Present it during consultations and offer a digital copy via email. Tailor the report to each property to show personalized insights and projections. Neighborhood guide. Help clients and prospects understand the unique aspects of different neighborhoods to make informed decisions about buying or selling a home. What it is. A neighborhood guide offers a comprehensive overview of a specific neighborhood. It highlights key features such as schools, parks, local amenities, and community events. Where to find it? Find this on RPR. There, you'll find neighborhood information and also current pricing for just that location. You can also gather information from local government websites, community organizations, and real estate market reports. How to provide it? Hand out this comprehensive neighborhood guide to buyers at open houses. Use your social media, your email database, and your Google business profile to let people know that you are ready and willing to provide this to them for free. Plus, make neighborhood guides downloadable from your website. Property tax information. Provide insights into property taxes in different areas is another value idea you can add to your real estate agent marketing. What it is. Information on local property tax rates, how they are calculated, and any potential exemptions or relief programs. Where to find it? Local government websites, tax assessors' offices, and real estate data platforms. How to provide it? Develop an easy-to-understand guide or flyer with key property tax information. Share this with clients during initial consultations and through your website's resources section. Relocation package. A relocation package is perfect for clients moving to a new area, providing them with all the essential information they need. Make the transition easier with a comprehensive relocation package. What it is. A comprehensive guide including maps, local school information, details about utilities, and community highlights. Where to find it? Local Chamber of Commerce websites, school district websites, and city or town official pages. How to provide it? Assemble the information into a branded PDF or binder. Share it during your initial consultation or as a follow-up email. Make it personalized by including notes about local attractions, restaurants, and events. Okay, like I said, our next video with more ideas will be presented by Doug Smart, and it will fill you in on ideas regarding providing value as a listing agent, and it will also include ideas that are for both buyer and seller agents. You won't want to miss it. So subscribe and hit the bell notifications to be notified when we drop that video. In the meantime, to learn more about eXp Realty and the Wolfpack, here's some more videos which should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.